This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan quiche. Start with a perfect vegan pie crust. Combine 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 cup of cold vegan butter, a pinch of salt, and 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water. Mix until just combined, then chill for 30 minutes. Blind bake the crust for 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure a crisp base for your quiche. Next, let's create that wonderfully creamy filling. Blend 1 block of silken tofu with 1/2 cup of unsweetened plant milk, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, and 1 teaspoon of black salt. A dash of turmeric will give it a lovely golden color. Blend until perfectly smooth, ensuring no lumps remain for a truly luxurious texture. Now for the delicious add-ins. Sauté 1 cup of chopped onions, 2 cups of spinach, and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms until tender. You can also crumble 1/2 block of firm tofu or tempeh for extra texture and protein. Season these ingredients with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs before gently folding them into the creamy tofu mixture. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Pour the prepared filling into your blind-baked crust. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes, or until the center is set and the top is golden brown. Allow the quiche to cool for at least 20 minutes before slicing. This ensures it holds its shape perfectly for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.